Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Syahindah Alia binti Shamsuri, student number 2024-270164, and today I will be presenting a comprehensive defect analysis for the course BST255. This report was prepared for Surveyor Dr. Muhammad Nur Faisal bin Baharuddin and Surveyor Technologist Muhammad Khairul Amri bin Hamli. We will be looking at various structural and maintenance issues identified during a recent site inspection. Our case study is centered on the University Technology Mara UiTM campus Seri Iskandar in Perak. This campus has been operational since 1995. For this analysis, we focus on several case areas including Annex 3, College Cempaka Sari, specifically the Anggerek Block, College Indra Sakti, and the FSVU Estate Management Building. Given the age of these facilities over 13 years, certain wear and tear are to be expected, but some defects require urgent attention. Before we dive into specific defects, I want to highlight the baris table found on each sheet. This system allows us to quantify the severity of a defect using 4 metrics. First is the condition. We rate the physical state of the element from 1, which is good, to 5, critical. Second, priority. This determines how quickly a repair is needed, ranging from normal to urgent. Third, metrics. This is the score derived from multiplying condition and priority, giving us a final defect rating. Lastly, color code. Green represents low risk, yellow is medium, and red indicates a high-risk defect requiring immediate action. This data-driven approach ensures that maintenance funds are allocated where they are most needed. Starting with the roof at the transport unit, I observed visible corrosion and rusting on the metal roof truss members. This is likely due to prolonged exposure to moisture or humidity. As for the symptom, I'll notice reddish-brown flaky deposit and bubbling paint on the roof trusses. If this is left untreated, the rust will penetrate deeper, leading to structural weakening and eventual failure of the trusses. As for the remedial work, I recommend removing the rust with the wire brushes, applying an anti-rust primer, and repainting with weather-resistant coating. Moving to the walkway shelter near Pita, I found a significant gap in the roof covering due to a missing or broken clay tiles. This is likely due to mechanical impact, such as falling debris or branches. This will lead to water dripping onto the pavement, causing slippery conditions and accelerating the corrosion of the steel support beams below. As for the remedial work, the immediate fix is to replace the missing tiles and inspect the alignment of the surrounding roof. At the College Cempaka Sari Anggerek Block hallway, I identified black mold spots and damp patches on the ceiling surface. This is a classic sign of a water leakage from the roof above. If not addressed, it will destroy the ceiling finish and create an unhealthy environment. We must first stop the leak at its source before cleaning the mold with antifungal treatment and repainting with moisture-resistant paint. At Annex 3, I observed severe delamination and wood decay at the bottom of a timber flush door. This is likely due to frequent exposure to moisture, likely from floor cleaning or rain splashes, has caused the glue to fail. The plywood is peeling and splitting into vertical strips. To prevent injury from sharp edges and further rot, I recommend installing a new solid core timber door and adding a stainless steel kick plate to protect against future water damage. Next, the metal staircase at the estate management building is also suffering from corrosion. This is similar to the roof trusses. I saw flaky deposits and staining on the surrounding areas from rust runoff. This is considered as a safety hazard because corrosion will weaken the structural integrity of the stairs. As for the remedial work, standard rust treatment is required, which is scraping, priming, and weather-resistant painting. On the external second floor of the estate management building, the reinforced concrete beams shows visible peeling and discoloration of the protective paint. This is caused by prolonged exposure to UV rays and rainwater. Once the paint fails, moisture can reach the concrete, leading to dampness and potential concrete cancer or spalling. We need to scrap the loose paint and apply a high-quality exterior masonry paint as the remedial works. Moving on to the water supply system. The water service system on the ground floor of the College Indra Sakti shows extensive surface corrosion and peeling of the protective coating on the mild steel pipes. This continued corrosion will eventually lead to pipe wall thinning, resulting in pinhole leaks or major bursts. I recommend replacing the affected section and installing a new high-specification pressure valve with enhanced corrosion resistance as the remedial works. Moving inside, the ceiling fans in the estate management building show rust spots and edge degradation on the blades. This is not just aesthetic. It can cause blade imbalance, leading to excessive vibration and potential motor failure. Fans should be cleaned, treated with an anti-corrosive primer, and repainted to ensure smooth operation. As for the parking areas at College Cempaka Sari, the yellow handicap symbols are fading significantly. This is likely caused by the sun exposure and physical abrasion from vehicle tires. This will lead to a loss of accessibility compliance and potential unauthorized parking. The symbol must be repainted using high durability road marking paint, which is road line paint that meets standard dimension. Finally, the PRC perimeter fencing shows localized bending and deformation. This is likely due to external pressure, such as people climbing over or heavy objects leaning against it. It creates a security breach and weakens the entire fence line. The mesh should be manually straightened, and any fracture welds must be rewelded and treated with anti-rust coating. In conclusion, while many of these defects are typical for a campus of this age, they require a proactive maintenance schedule to prevent further structural deterioration and to ensure the safety of students and staff. By addressing these rust, water, and mechanical issues now, we can extend the lifespan of these facilities significantly. Thank you for your time.